What is up, everyone? So, today once again is a hectic day. Last video, we announced our new merch bay. Hasn't even been 24 hours since we actually got the okay to go in there. We've been trying to coordinate a lot today, and well, as you guys know, we all got Z's, right? This has kind of been the whole thing for the last 2 weeks. We haven't really talked about our plan with them too much, but I know Rudnick recently revealed that we are gonna be heading down to Florida and doing a whole thing together down there at Adam's compound. So, today, begins the journey, I would consider that. So we're actually getting this crazy snowstorm tonight and tomorrow night, which kind of throws our plans in a loop. So we realized that the only way to make that work is to actually bring the Z's up tonight to Tommy's shop and then leave from there Sunday morning. We just realized this like 20 minutes ago, so we're kind of in a rush, but I figured I'd film it. So these are a bunch of parts I haven't been able to install on the Z. We're gonna actually do in Florida. So we actually have a power steering cooler and a trans cooler by Trigger Spec. I also have this Fish Racing carbon fiber e-brake that I've been dying to put into a car. This thing is super gangster. It's probably one of the coolest e-brakes I've ever seen. These are struts for the S15 I wanted to put in, and then of course my tuning laptop. Everything else, I already shipped to Florida. Oh, I also put a front lip on the car. Sorry, I'm such a mess right now. I got an eBay front lip for the Z. I thought it would do a lot to it, and it did. I'm happy with it. Nice little ad. Before we load up and head up there, because Tommy's shop is quite a hike, I actually wanted to give you guys an update with the shop bay, because even though it's only been like 24 hours, we're getting settled in, and it's pretty cool, so let's check it out. RJ?
Jamie?
Look at your desk.
I set it all up. I was here till midnight. I was very excited.
So as you guys can see, we actually have some organization going on here. Obviously, we're gonna change things up periodically, but the merch is all laid out. We got this dope little table. We were gonna do sub mail today. That's why this was here. And then storage, you guys know. We got the kitchen. Yeah, you guys saw that. And then we have Stevie's studio. He already has a TV in here. What's he watching? Cooking channel? Interesting. All right, so as you guys know, Talk to Me Nice Studios, we are trying to just, I don't know, create other fun things, and we actually have a full green screen wall now, which is awesome. This is where the magic happens. Well, we're trying to make as much use of the space as possible. We have a lot of cool ideas, but it's cool to see them getting comfy. I don't know, I'm all over the place. I can't even think straight.
Exciting stuff.
Oh, this car is beautiful. I think I forgot to mention that DJ is also driving his 370 down with us, which is really awesome. So we get to bring Tony over here, Mr. T-Bone, and Stevie's actually coming too. So are you excited for 20 hours of Z exhaust?
Luckily, DJ's exhaust isn't that loud.
Oh, good, because I'm going to be riding passenger with DJ, and you're going to be driving this.
I'm going to be driving DJ Z.
You probably will be. Honestly, DJ
is the worst road trip partner.
The worst road. He sleeps the entire time.
Yeah.
I envy that skill, but this is how much cargo space we got. We got a lot, so we're good. Luckily, I think we both packed pretty lightly on.
That is a lot to you?
I'm being sarcastic.
Oh.
Yeah.
We have no duffel bags, no backpack.
We'll be good. At least we got tunes. That's all that matters. Well, this is his first maiden voyage. We got an hour and 20-minute drive to Tommy's, so let's see how she does.
She'll be fine.
She'll be great.
It's a VQ.
Also, I don't think I showed this on camera yet. I put a Nardi in the Z and a Racing shift knob. It's like the perfect height shift knob in the Z. I love it. It's like the same type of material as a Nardi. It's such a good combo. It honestly makes the Z feel so much higher end, like unbelievably. The Racing shift knobs are kind of expensive, but I've never had a shift knob that I'm like truly worth every penny. The quality is unmatched. So check out the website. I'll put the link in the description. See what they got for you guys. So this is gonna be the first time I've ever driven this thing.
Which I don't know if the camera can pick it up. It is starting to snow.
Which is not good. This thing is not gonna do good in the snow.
Look at these things. They can't drive in this.
With good tires they can. We don't have good tires.
Yeah, no good tires. It looks damn good.
It does look good. Right now, the car here, look at this angle right now. It looks honestly pretty damn cool. There you go. I can't believe he's driving this down. Dude, look at that. That is so freaking cool.
Chunky little cars.
Chunky little cars. I love that we have so many matching cars now.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy.
It's super cool.
I love it.
Dude, that is so freaking cool. Let's do our maiden voyage.
Papa Tom's.
Now, can you picture 5 VQ cars with exhaust going down the highway together? What a nightmare. All right, now it's time to see how bad the drone is on the highway after I drift this corner. It has a lot more grip than I thought it would. It's pretty impressive. All right, so we are now up to 65 miles per hour on the highway, and you guys can clearly hear that it's not that bad. But if I have to get on it at all, it gets loud. I'd say this is not bad. Officially made it to Papa Tom's. This thing is actually kind of awesome. Get it, DJ, get it, DJ. Oh my God.
Turn traction off, dipshit. What up?
He makes me nervous.
Yeah, he's sketchy. I saved some spots. I think we can fit both of you in the shop.
Awesome.
Want me to film you?
Yeah, I want to do a donut.
Do a couple snow nuts.
This thing's loud.
Let her rip. That's nice.
Honestly, it was a really nice drive, man. I mean, it's a modern vehicle, right?
Yeah, it's not gonna be terrible. Oh, it's slick back here. Holy shit.
Oh, did I rip my lip off?
Keep going.
Did it come off?
You can't see shit.
I saw it bent up. It's still on?
Yeah, it's still on.
Then it's a good lip.
Then what's he complaining about?
It's tight. Just like you like it, boy. Keep her going. Look at that mirror.
They went.
You'll be able to open your door. Hell yeah, we got them packed.
This idiot.
Get this piece of shit out of here.
All right, so one of the best things I learned about the Z on this cruise here is, right, you see this cubby? Pop that, take your iPhone, you put on Funimation, and you could just, look at that. Who needs CarPlay?
Everyone says not to do that. That's some fire hazard
stuff.
What, he waxed this fucking thing? Oh, he did, yeah. Shit.
Wow, there's a lot of GTRs in here right now.
GTRs and some dumbass Z's. The Mustang of the Japanese.
Tommy, what do you think of the HRZ?
I honestly, after seeing Grant's Z, I like the Z more than the 370Z. They look more fun. Like, these look like you're trying to be cool. These are like, I don't give a f, you know, just here to f around. That's what these are. These are like, I think I'm cool. These are this. And then this is like, you know?
All right, I see you.
That's how I feel.
That is too
Don't
funny.
you get it? Because this is like, look at you, carbon fucking duckbill, and you're like,
This is the little Italian
your hat
flag
half on.
But Tommy drives a 372, so
I know, I hate, and I'm not stoked.
Stop it.
he kicked it.
I kicked her, so it's only fair.
I'll tell you what though.
No, you
it
threw
is-
a water bottle through my quarter panel is what you did.
I'll tell you what
I did.
though, these are a lot faster. God damn. You guys wrong?
Look at Tommy's like already ready to go with the hydro.
Dual Akibono.
Dual
Got my
Akibonos.
driving shoes on.
Jesus.
Dude, I'm stoked.
And the only mod I've done so far is wheels.
And a lip you almost took off.
Are you gonna do any mods in Florida?
His Italian flag and his fucking some dumb
Rhinestone
I bet he has
license
some
plate
dumb
frame
air
is what you're
freshener
gonna
on
do.
this fucking thing.
No air freshener.
Let me see.
I just cleaned 2 wheels, to be
He's got
honest.
his,
So if everything showed up on time, we have basically every drift mod I can imagine waiting for me in Florida.
oh, you made it happen?
I think I did.
Dude, I have to do seats and angle.
Yeah.
That's it.
I have to do everything. So I called Mike. I was, hey, did any packages show up? He goes, they're probably somewhere. So the Z has survived an hour drive to the Northeast, which means you can survive 19 hours to Florida.
If you say so.
Tomorrow, we're gonna hope that all hell doesn't snow loose.
It's gonna.
It's gonna be bad.
Snowpocalypse.
Snowpocalypse. Tommy wants to leave here like
Hopefully
Sunday.
DJ
6 in the morning.
slides off the road into the fucking woods.
No, because I'm gonna be with him. So don't say that.
Oh. Sunday, big day.
Yeah. So
I got a
tomorrow,
surprise for you.
I don't like that. When you have a surprise for me, it's not good.
It's for everyone.
So tomorrow we'll see how
Fucking
bad
up
it snows, but
Pray
I'm
for us.
feeling optimistic.
Go to church. Pray for us.
See you tomorrow. All right, next day. It just stopped snowing like 20 minutes ago, and it's not that bad out, at least by me, which is awesome. Well, I mean, obviously the Z could not drive in this, but we're in the Corolla, which is a champ in the snow, so hopefully this plow doesn't kill me. All right, come on, buddy, you got this. All right. So I'm on my way now to go pick up the boys, and we're gonna head all the way up to Grant's house, sleep over, leave in the morning. Easy. Yeah, the Z's would have 0 chance in this. Thank God for the Corolla. This is the best purchase ever. How you doing?
I'm alright, man, you know. Tundra Steve. Yeah, I'm ready to get up out of this cold weather.
Badly. Where you going?
This video is brought to you by Athletic Greens.
All right, Steve acquired.
Well, Steve acquired. We're in here. No more waterproof mittens for me. Looks like we got a private escort here, making sure we make it safely.
Yeah. Spin it.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, she's eating. Clip the chimney.
That was some of the best stuff we had all day, Jim.
Okay, let's see. Look at
To the back.
Oh, there we go. Straighten out a little bit. Look at these guys. Of course they're back here. What are you guys doing?
Close call.
What?
I just ran from over there. Look how close it came.
What? You skated all the way to there?
Yeah.
How puckered? I almost crashed the mini truck. How puckered were you?
A little bit.
How long you guys
Got
been?
this good line, James. Come flying this way.
Yep.
That thing. Stevie's stomach hurts. Jimmy's whipping it. Not a good mixture.
Cold out here.
Damn, it is cold.
Making them sick. Woo!
He's gonna come in hot.
You think? Maybe move the truck. You got it.
He's
Got it.
wild. Why is the exhaust off of the Corolla?
What? How long has that been off for?
Were you swinging this thing on the way here?
Yeah, but.
Oh yeah, we were.
Oh my god, the exhaust is. Because it's just dragging on ice.
Yep.
Dude, if that broke off, the car would get loud.
Quickly.
Ew. Well, let's fix that real quick.
Zip ties or some shit.
Metal zip ties. Maybe we'll just put
Wire.
it back on.
Well, good thing we're at the shop. How's the mini truck been treating you?
It's a little dangerous on the main road.
No, you're dangerous on the main road.
No, I
It's
went
a truck.
real easy. Even asked DJ.
Yeah,
but
right.
once I got to a little lot like this, it's go time.
Is that the fucking? Is that the fucking exhaust?
Yeah.
How did you do it?
I don't know.
No way, that's the exhaust right there. Oh, the hanger broke.
All right, let's fix that real quick.
And jacked it up. Let's assess.
Oh man, that's not that bad. Wow, is there no hangers on this thing besides this one? It just rusted through. How do I do this really fast?
Yeah. Nice work on the moving blanket.
Self-tapper.
That should do. Couple self-tappers.
You ready, boys? You ready, Steve?
I'm super ready.
We have an hour and a half drive in the snow up to Grants now.
Oh yeah, it's a little tight. A lot of camaraderie this weekend.
Hop in it.
Let's run straight into
Haha. Jesus.
Here we are. Rick?
Thank you, sir. Ooh, it's Polly too?
Yes, sir. If you guys don't know Grant somehow, Grant is also joining our convoy. He got himself a 03 350Z. The lip looks good on there.
Damn. How's that thing fit?
4 out of 10.
All right.
It fits like it was free.
Yeah, that's what I said. It fits like it's free.
While DJ, Tommy, and Rudnick are whipping 370Zs, we're whipping 350Zs.
Hell yeah.
Yes, sir.
The OGs.
Look at this thing.
You gotta, hey, I want you to do one thing. Sit in the driver's seat.
Grant made the horrible decision to put his bucket seat in before he drove to Florida.
Oof.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's tripping. I would have strapped that thing to the roof.
Oh, dude, your hips are gonna go numb after Jersey. Look how nice the interior
I
is
know.
in here.
I seen his Instagram stories, and I'm like, damn, that's in good
I guess
condition.
all like the center consoles are always broken and shit. but
Mine
this
looks
one's,
like
in good shape.
mine looks like there was 3 cats fighting over it. Insane.
What? Salvage title, whatever.
All right.
I'm very jealous of the red.
The red's good. The red is
very good.
Look at this thing.
I was like, where'd Stevie go? Sitting in the JZS.
Look at this thing.
Carl confetti. Love that pattern.
What are you doing?
Hippity doo dah so big. I feel crazy.
Going to pick up my daughter from the fair.
It's very fitting.
It's very Italian mobster.
Picture me with the chop coming down the block, you know what I mean? We're going to Daytona, baby! Oh, bitch, I tell you!
He's a bootlegger.
Goddamn
If we
moonshine.
could put this in front of a green screen, this shit would be gold.
The boys are coming. What do they call the cops back in the day?
Fuzz? The fuzz.
Trunk full of whiskey.
This thing's kind of dope.
Get rid of the moonshine, throw it out the back window. Fast as hell.
You gotta go in the best seat in the house. The rumble seat.
Oh, wow.
I don't want. Who would sit back there?
I don't know.
Where do your legs go?
In there.
In there?
That thing is dirty. Sketch if you get in an accident.
Imagine you knock your fucking teeth out on that right there.
Too bad this thing couldn't go more than 20 miles per
I
hour.
know, it probably won't even get hurt.
Jump out.
All right, you guys have heard me do enough talking for this whole video, so I think we're gonna end it here. We gotta wake up bright and early.
Bright and early, boys.
Very, how nervous are you about the snow?
Oh, we're good.
How are you getting down your driveway?
What's the word I'm looking for? Gravity.
All right, whatever. I'm probably being over dramatic. These things will probably honestly do pretty good. Well, everything's great.
Not worried at all.
I'm not. I'm just
The
being.
roads are good.
I'm just being dramatic.
They're so bad. Not clickbait. Roads are horrible.
That's it. That's
Yeah,
it.
that's
I can't believe we're gonna do this.
It's insane.
This is exciting stuff.
All right, so man, all right, big day tomorrow. I'll see you guys then. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. Grant.
Have a great night.